recipe brinjal curry. Take these listed ingredients and keep it ready. Chop the brinjal as shown and keep it in water. Now add the sesame seeds to a mixie and grind it, and add the remaining ingredients: salt, red chili powder, tamarind and garlic, curry leaves, etc. Grind it and add a half glass of water. Grind it. Heat a pan. Add 4 spoons of oil. Dump the paste in the brinjal as shown in the picture. Dump all the brinjals, that's 500 grams. Now add the mustard seeds, add onions, saute the onions perfectly. Now add the tomatoes. Also saute this. Saute all the ingredients well and perfect. Now add the brinjals. Mix it. This is optional, that's drumstick. Now add the drumstick. Add 2 glasses of water for thick gravy. We are doing thick gravy, so this is optional. We have taken 3 eggs. Place on the gravy and mix it. Careful because the egg will break. Close it with the lid for 10 minutes in high flame. And now it's ready. Mix it once again and close the lid for another 5 minutes in low flame. Separate the eggs. Now our recipe is ready. Our loud brinjal curry is perfectly ready and so hot and yummy. So you to try this recipe in your home, and please give your comments for this video, and also like the video. Yummy, yummy, yummy food. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, we'll wait. And of course, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.